Mina ngimazi umuntu okuplanela nje ukudliwa. Uyakuplanela ukuluza yazi lo muntu loyana ukulanda kukude nawe. Mina ngimazi leyo silima sa coach lesi ngqimqimi. Neinwele yiself.
Sampotsa ka Mexico sa nyatsa bafana ya wena a ke hane score ke 2-0 mara o be positive at least re ba leader ka di red card. Di red card ke rona ra leader ke 2-1 so bafana yeah.
Manje laba bakhokhela ukuyobuka Bafana emabhange impela bebethembe
Nebanyana nje bingakora nje la. Ibanyana nje bingashaya amagoli nje amathathu. Ibingakora nje ibanyana nje ibingakora amagoli awu4. Iphuma iwinile la ibanyana. Sengutshela mina ngebanyana ke manje sakhuluma. Ibanyana nayo ibingakora la.
Ukube kuya ngami ngabe sicela kuFIFA ukuthi we don't want to continue with the other 2 games. Ukube kuya ngami ngabe niyabuya bafana bami because there is no way. Niyasimincisa on the first day of the World Cup niyasimincisa. Oh my God, Hugo Bros, hell is hot. Hell is hot, guys. Like, honestly, oh my God, guys, what did we just watch? What did we just... Angeke, there is no way.
Ujo wa lena wa re nyela. Ujo tja bo sotlholo, ujo tja le moshishi ba khalabe, o tisitse ka mola. O defenda ka batho ba 5. Wa disturba le mbokazi kwa morago. 5. Ha una middle field ko ona a lokela mbatha ka 85 minutes. O lokela police gore re bone ka re ke style kwa di tjoka. Hey, foreigner le la re toela coach ya re toela man. Hey, coach ya re toela masipa le gona. Coach ya re toela masipa. O ba santse go ba tshetse ma triplets. A santse ba tshetse Mofokeng, a tshetse a police, a tshetse Mremi. Kwa ga rabile mbatha. Hey, toela masipa mthako. Hey. A re roba le ka baka la gana di pelo di a thunyane ke di foreigner ka mo la mkhalabe la go dudumela.
Brawam, you can't do that. You don't do such. Brawam, uzwane according to FIFA fair play. Yes, it is a red card. Ulendwana, Uspepelo Stone. Yes, it is a red card. Now here's a question. You selected 11 defenders and then 4 midfielders, 8 attacking players. Now 2 out of the 8 cancelled. Now on your next game, you still have that 11 defenders. How are you gonna play? Why you brought Brawam from the starting 11? When in the football history you've played the football without number 7, without number 10, without number 11? What did you expect? Look, Brawam, we were forced to play on our half because of now we have more defenders and central defensive midfielders. That was a clear red card according to FIFA fair play. Siya Pisanda. Fair game, good refereeing, clear red card.
Just before we could get a red card, Nisho in double coach of South Africa kangabone a need to make any changes. You are coach ngeke ngayiphelele World Cup ahambe. Ya ngeke ayikho lento. Ayikho. Ay. Le Mexico ayiyo ngxaki. You reduce the number of defenders you are playing with, dude, and play a normal football. Normal football formation. Bekusuppose balosithola umkhuphile. Ukhupha uSibisi, ukhupha noba ngiFoster phambili. Introduce number 10 and the wingers. Simple. Ngayingekho noba khona le red card. Introduce number 10 and both wingers. Remove Sibisi, remove Sithole, remove Rhinus ke xa ngabacaba uFoster ngaphume ke. One of those people, one of those guys is phanga phambili. Remove one of them. Remove 3 and introduce 3 players. 2 wingers and 1 number 10. Then we go. Then we are done. We are free. Sidlale an open game like these guys take the game to these people and score a goal, then win this game. These people abayo threat ababantu. Ababantu abayo threat ababona abantu they cannot even kick free kicks. Because the free kick is supposed to be goal. Benitethile anyway that before the game doba nizenjoba ko free kick ebubhanqa na ezoscosta. Ezovela kulento yes defenders singaka. Now we are 1 man down. Any decision azoyenza is a flop lo coach. Yo lo muntu lo ayasihlisa.
Yazi ngisanda kulalela i-post match interview ka-Hugo Bruce. U-Hugo Bruce uthi bafethu we played a very good game. Net mele kushintshwe lapha nalaphaya. Bafethu kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani? Yabona mangabe kuthiwa kukhona umuntu ekufanele asolwe ngalento eyenzeke lapha eMexico. Ubaba uBruce siyambeka icala. Yes, kube nama elementary mistakes enzekile. I mean, uSithole should have controlled the ball better, because if he controls the ball better, abampresi and they don't get the goal, the first goal, right? But kunezinye izinto futhi tactical approach. Come on, mina ngikhala ngebravery more than anything else, right? Sinomremi, sinomasego. People who could have been so useful lapha kuma wings, because I really believe ukuthi indlela iMexico be attack ngayo, South Africa had they deployed wingers, out and out wingers, they would have exploited those spaces in behind. Umaseko benomremi, and you would have pushed them back ukuthi bangezikithi so that we cannot absorb so much pressure. But nabo babe on the defensive side of things, but they were constantly piling up pressure on us because Tina we were so defensive. Yabona if kuukuthi this is the same way we are going to play against Turkey ne South Korea, bafethu seyisuthi nduku. And those two nations are stronger than Mexico. They are way stronger than Mexico. Basigoqa ngengubo labantu.